How to fix RapidTV app not working in Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we're going to troubleshoot the RapidTV app not working on your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First and foremost, go ahead and restart your device. A simple restart can fix many app problems. Now make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, as RapidTV needs at least 10 Mbps download speed for best streaming. Also try updating the RapidTV app. For that, if you're using Android, you can go to Play Store and search for RapidTV and update if there is any update available. And if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and open the App Store on your device, search for RapidTV, and if you see an update button, tap on update if there is new version. Now go ahead and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on storage and then click on clear cache. And for iPhone, you can go to apps, go to iPhone storage, and then RapidTV, then upload the application. And after uploading, you can reinstall the app from the App Store, and this refreshes the app's data. Also disable the VPNs. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the RapidTV, so turn off any VPNs that you're using and try again. And make sure that the RapidTV subscription is still active. If it is expired, the app won't work. And also double check that your username and password are correct, as wrong login info will block you from accessing the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.